Hello! If you're new here, my name is Jacqie, spelled with a Q, pronounced like it's spelled with a K. Don't ask. I don't know why. It's just how I was told my name was spelled. Hi. If you enjoy beauty-related content, like tutorials, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, and next to that you'll see a little bell. Ring the bell and you will become part of the hashtag Notification Nation, and YouTube should alert you as soon as my videos go up. Today's video, we are, like I said in my last one, but if you didn't see my last one, then you wouldn't know. We are playing with the LA Colors Morning Glow palette from the Dollar Tree. It's $1. Hi, focus. Thank you. $1. Woohoo! Can't beat $1. And we're creating this super simple look that I use 2 of these shadows with. So if you want to know how I did that, I'm sure you're probably smart enough to figure it out. But if you just enjoy me, then keep on watching. In my description box are my social media handles. Instagram and Twitter. Feel free to follow me on one and or both or none if you're just not into that stuff. So yeah, y'all, that is it for my intro. Let's get into this makeup tutorial. Well, here we are again. I changed the focus mode again because I don't know, I feel like the first video focused a little better than the second. So I went back to that because there's only like 2 options for video. So I don't really have a whole lot of choices. But yeah, come on. Ooh, ooh. Hello. Maybe, maybe not. Wow, that took far too long to actually focus. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's not like the most high-tech camera, so I guess I'm just gonna have to deal with it. And try not to move around too much, I suppose, which is really hard for me. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. Okay, enough is enough. We are going to play with the Morning Glow from LA Colors, which, if you remember, in our last video, we played with Sunset Break. Now we're doing Morning Glow. So yeah, I think this is gonna be like a super-de-duper simple, simple look today. I have glue from wearing lashes the other day still on my eye. That just tells you how good that duo lash glue is, huh? Once again, listening to music, it just makes everything better. Unless you're listening to something depressing, then it doesn't. What am I listening to right now? 90s pop. Oh yeah. What kind of music do you guys like? Oh my gosh, almost just like poked myself in the eye. What kind of music do you listen to? Tap, 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 tap. Stop moving your head so much, Jacqie. Like I said, it's hard for me not to move around a lot. I don't know, I'm very animated. I'm an animated character. I don't know what people want from me. What do you want from me, camera? So, how are you doing? How's your day so far? Or, I mean, how's your day? Because this usually goes live about 3. In 3 my time. It's actually like noon in like California time. Okay, see, there I go. I gotta remember to clean the brushes I'm using. This is the second set of brushes I haven't cleaned. Okay, so we're just gonna do something super simple, okay? Because, I mean, you have a lot more shimmers in here than you have mattes. So you could basically do a shimmer and a matte. That's about it. So we are gonna do this shimmer with this matte, and we're gonna put this shimmer all over the lid, and then we're going to blend it out with this matte. So first I'm gonna put this all over my lid. I'm gonna use my finger. Let me get a wipe, because you know I always forget that wipe, that pesky wipe. Okay, because we're gonna need it to clean off the finger. All right, now we're gonna, that's the one shade I haven't, okay, it's the one shade I haven't used yet in this palette, so cool. Let's see here. Well, that's a nice little taupey shade, huh? All right, this is gonna be super duper simple. I don't know why I have to keep telling you it's super duper. Ah, zombie. I thought about doing my face makeup first, and then I was like, no, because I get fallout from the shimmers. I was like, so I probably shouldn't, so I didn't. So obviously I'm gonna have to go off camera and do that too. But it's okay. We got this. We're in it together, guys. Get off me. Okay, now I'm going to take a blending brush. Let's see, which one do I have that's not dirty? I guess I'll use this blending eyeshadow brush from Beauty Accents. They're good, 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 good. And I'm going to go into the brown right there. I'm just going to use that in the crease. Blend out that, what color? Shimmer. Yeah, hi. Wow, Jacqie. Words much? This right here is a, more of a, wow, I really don't have words today. Oh, wow, what's her name? Why can't I, Jessica Braun, sorry, wow, blonde moment. Look, she does like a shimmer and then she like blends it out and she's done. Actually, she doesn't even use another shade sometimes. I am. Very pretty. It's snowing today and it's like big fluffy flakes that kind of, you blow and they go but yeah, when you get them on the road they turn to slush with salt, and yeah, it's fun. Can't wait. I am not a winter person. Are you a winter person? Do you enjoy winter? If you do, I'm very confused by why would you, seriously, like what is it about winter that you enjoy so much? I'd love to know, because I hate it. Alright, this is super simple, huh? Let me just go in, just curl the lashes, not even put on liner. Sorry. Singing. Wow, this is really simple. Maybe I'll even do like a BB cream today for my foundation. Yeah, I'm gonna use the Dream, what is it? Please refocus, thank you. Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. I'm gonna use this today. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why not? Nice simple look, yeah. Do real simple makeup. I'll do some BB cream, some bronzer, some blush, a little bit of highlight, and be done for face makeup. Then we'll do the bottom lash line and pick a lip, which will probably be just some simple, I don't know, nude shade, I guess. It's really hard for me to sit still when I'm listening to music. How important is music in your life? I'm curious. Because in my life, it can change my mood like that. It can give me energy, wake me up, put me in a good mood. I love singing. My neighbors probably hate me, but I don't care. Because, I mean, you can hear everything where I live, because I live in a trailer with, like, paper thin walls. So I'm sure they just love it when I'm singing at the top of my lungs. Music is very, like, it was a thing my whole life growing up, music, so it means a lot to me. A song can bring back a memory. Oh, by the way, this is CoverGirl Exhibitionist. I liked how my lashes looked last time, so. When I was younger, though, like, slow music would make me cry. My sister said that she would have to sing me happy lullabies, like upbeat lullabies. Which is kind of backwards, because, like, you sing something upbeat and it, like, gives you energy and wakes you up, you know? So it's really hard to sing an upbeat lullaby. My sister used to sing to me. So songs don't make me sad all the time now, as an adult. But some songs I just can't. I don't know what it is. Just some songs. I think because a lot of songs make me think of my mom. And you know, it makes you sad sometimes. Or all the time in my case. Doing 2 coats of this. I really liked the way my lashes looked yesterday. I forgot how much I like this. What is it? Hi. CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. I want to try that Maybelline Sky High mascara, but when I went to find it last time I was shopping, it was nowhere to be found. So I was like, of course. Because I seen it at the store like 30 times. And I was like, I want to try that sometime. I want to try that sometime. So when finally I could pick it up, they didn't have it. I was like, story of my life. So that's why I picked up lashes instead. I was like, fine. Stock up on lashes then. Oh yeah. I love this. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna clean this up, do the rest of my face, and we'll be back to finish it off. Be right back. Well, here we are. This is my face. Like you didn't know that? I'm ridiculous. Okay, to finish off the eyes, I think I'm just going to use that brown. Hi, this needs to open. It's a little hard to get these open, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I use my tweezers, just in case you're curious. I'm just gonna use this brown shade right here that we used in the crease as a transition crease shade, and I'm going to pinch the brush and run that along the bottom lash line. And try not to get it in my eye. I always do that. Yes, just a little something something down there to kind of connect it. Just makes it look a little better, in my personal opinion. You know, I always seem to poke myself in the eye when I don't have my mouth wide open. Like I subconsciously go, but then when I think about it, I'm like, oh, keep your mouth shut, and then I poke myself in the eye. Does that make any sense? All right. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some mascara. My under eyes are looking old today. I don't know what I did wrong. Used too many concealers probably. Okay, 3 years later, we got the lashes done. Wow, Jacqie. Okay, I'm gonna take the E.L.F. Moonlight Pearls highlight, and I'm going to use that in the inner corner and brow bone. Just for a little brightness, but not like over the top, you know? This is not the highlight I used today. I used Essence Pure Nude and Be My Highlight. It doesn't do much for me. I don't know what the heck's up with that. People rave about it, and I'm just kind of like, it either is too dark or it just doesn't seem to do much. I don't know, but I figured today is a subtle day, so we would use that highlight today. You know? Oh, hi, I forgot to do the inner corner on this side. Wow, Jacqie. Wow, Jacqie. Wow, you're on top of things here, aren't you? Okay, so eyes are finished. What do we do for the lip, though? That's the part I'm having a hard time with. Goodness gracious. All right, I think I have a clue. I have a clue. The Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in Send Nudes from Wet n Wild. Hi, it's upside down. Yeah, Liquid Catsuit. Yeah. We're gonna use that with a, what lip liner though? Oh gosh, it's so tough. I used to have a Wet n Wild lip liner, but I used it all and I never got a new one. Come on, Jay. Alright, screw it. Where's that one I always use as like my lip color? Not that one. Is it already out? Yeah, it is. Okay, I'm just going to use the same one I used the last time. It kind of matches my lips. It's a little more mauve. I think we'll be okay. Okay, lips are lined. Now let's use something that is a completely different color. Alright. Okay, my battery died, so I had to change that. So here's the lip. Blotted and everything. So yeah, that's it for today's look. Like I've said about the last one, the Sunset Break one. This Morning Glow, great for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Not bad at all. Has a few more shimmers though, so you may want to pick up the other one as well, which was Sunset Break. So yeah, focus. Thank you. Yeah, that's it for this video. A super simple look that anybody can do. Another neutral look, but like anybody can wear this, so that's great. That's what I love about those two palettes. Anybody looks good in those colors. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up. Share if you feel like this is share worthy. Probably not, but if you do. Yeah, thank you for tuning in to today's video. I hope you will tune in for future videos. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.